Hello, in this video we are going to see a new problem, which is the application of differentiation. It is inscribing a rectangle inside a triangle. A rectangle is to be inscribed inside a right triangle with sides 6 cm, 8 cm and 10 cm. Find the dimensions of the rectangle with the greatest area, assuming it to be placed as shown. This is a triangle. This is a 90 degree here at angle B 90. The sides are 6 cm, 8 cm. The legs 6 cm and 8 cm. Hypotenuse is 10 cm. Okay. How to place the rectangle inside the triangle? It is given here. That means the sides of the rectangle should be along the legs of the right triangle. You will have to place it this way, and you will have to calculate or you find out the dimensions of the rectangle so that area would be maximum, greatest area. Okay, we will proceed. See, this is the right triangle. Say rectangle is inscribed like this. X is length of the rectangle and y its height or breadth. You can take this way. Now this shaded portion is the area which is supposed to be maximum. Accordingly, you will have to select x and y. So you know the formula for the area of the rectangle. A is equal to xy. But it would be better if you have only one variable on the right side. So why? Because we are going to use differentiation when we apply a theorem. So it's better if you have one variable on the right side, not two variables x and y. So we will express y in terms of x using similar triangle properties. There are two similar triangles here. Say ABC is one triangle. The other triangle we are going to consider is ADE. These two triangles are similar. How they are similar? This is angle A, this is also angle A. They are equal. Angle B 90, angle D 90, they are equal. Third angle will automatically be equal. Therefore, the two triangles are what? Similar. You can see here, triangle ABC similar to triangle ADE. If that be the case, AB by BC would be equal to AD by DE. But AB is 8, BC is 6, AD is 8 minus y, DE is x. You can refer to this diagram also, which is x. Try to express y in terms of x. Okay. So 8 minus y is equal to 8x by 6. But we want y. Therefore, y will go to this side. 8x by 6 will come to the left side. So y is equal to 8 minus 8x by 6. But this is 8, this is 6. So cancel by 2. Therefore, y is equal to 8 minus 4x by 3. Now x, you can find area completely in terms of x. So area of the triangle A is xy. This x is there already. Y, you substitute this. So 8x minus 4x squared by 3. Okay, in the interval, closed interval 0, 6. Because the length cannot be negative and also the length cannot be greater than 6. Therefore, you have this closed interval here. So this is the formula for A, 8x minus 4x squared by 3. Now you can see, consider A as a function of x. Okay, we want to find maximum value of A. Remember that. You can use extreme value theorem to find the maximum value of the area. What you should do if you want to apply extreme value theorem, you will have to know what are known as endpoints for this function in this interval. For this function, in this interval, you should know endpoints. These are the x coordinates of the endpoint 0, 6. And also you should know what is meant by, also you should know critical point or x value of the critical point known as critical number. So to apply the extreme value theorem, you need x values of the endpoints, x values of the endpoints, and also x value of the critical point, which is critical number. Have you understood that? Now how to proceed? Already we know the x values of the endpoints, but we have to now find the x value of the critical point. For that, what you should do, differentiate a with respect to x, equate it to 0 and then solve for x. That will be the critical number. At critical point the differentiation value should be 0, differentiation should be 0. So we proceed. dA by dx, a is this, a is 8x minus 4x squared by 3. So dA by dx is 8 minus 8x by 3. You have to equate it to 0, solve for x. See here, dA by dx 8 minus 8x by 3 equated to 0. That is 8 is equal to 8x by 3. This 8 will cancel, this 3 can go to this side, so you will get x is equal to 3, which is the critical number. Therefore you will have to apply the values of x in the expression for a, the function of a. So a is equal to 8x minus 4x squared by 3. You take the x coordinates of the endpoints and also the critical number, substitute in this, find what are the values of a. So a of 0, because x is 0. A of 0 means what you have to put in place of x? 0, which is x is 0 means x is 0, x is 0, so a is 0. Then a of 6, put 6 in place of x. 8 into 6 48 minus 4 into 6 square 36 by 3. So 48, this 36 in 3, so you cancel 36 by 3, you will get 12 in the numerator. 48 minus 48 would be 0. A of 6 also 0, A of 0 also 0. Now critical number. A of 3 is the critical number. 8 into x value 3 minus 4, 3 square by 3. 3 square is 9. 9 here 3. So cancel by 3, 3 in the numerator, 12. 24 minus 12 is 12. So value of area when x is 3, which is the critical number, is 12. So out of the 3 values 0, 0, 12, 12 is maximum. So area is maximum with a value of 12. This occurs when x value is 3. This we can even check by drawing the graph for this function. The maximum value of the area is 12. That's what we have already seen. Now you can see area is maximum when x is 3. Out of the 3, 0, 0, 12, area is maximum when x is 3. Now you can check it if you draw the graph. If you have the facility to draw the graph of this function. A is equal to 8x minus 4x squared by 3. See, this is a function. This function is a is equal to 8x minus 4x squared by 3. You see, when x is 3, area is maximum, which is 12. Here area, here x. Also when x is 0, area is 0. When x is 6, area is 0. From this we can definitely say that area is maximum, area of the rectangle is maximum with a value 12 when x is 3. Okay, how it will look like in the triangle? This is how it will look like in the triangle. 3 centimeter, height is 4 centimeter, area is 12 centimeter square. This will be the maximum area possible of the rectangle drawn inside this right triangle. Have you understood this? Thank you. We will meet again in the next video. Thank you.